Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 stuck on charging screen. Have you been too busy to charge your iPhone 15 for minutes, hours or even days? Then, you plug the device into a power source to charge the battery after it runs out of charge. You expect it'll juice up the battery fully then turn back on, but it won't. Instead, your iPhone 15 is stuck on charging screen, showing you a red battery logo with one stripe of battery. You continue leaving it charged for hours, but the screen remains the same and won't boot up. So, why is your iPhone 15 stuck on red battery screen? It can be caused by damaged or incompatible cables, chargers, or adapters, buildups in the port, weak power source, glitched or outdated system, defective battery, and so on. Here, we're going to try to help you find the solution to fix an iPhone 15 stuck on red battery charging screen. Get your phone, the charger and the cable, then follow the steps below in the presented order. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Clean the bottom charging port. Generally, the empty red battery screen often means that the device fails to hold charge. And the issue often ties to port. Dust and lint accumulation in the USB-C port can obstruct power delivery to the device. Finally, your iPhone 15 keeps showing the red battery charging symbol and gets stuck. So, use a soft brush to clean the charging connector inside the bottom port gently and slowly. Once it's free of obstacles, plug your device into a charger again. If your iPhone 15's battery has been heavily depleted, it requires a slow recharge for safety purposes. Leave it on charge for at least 2 hours, or longer if it still shows a red battery logo. Step 2. Check the charger and the lightning cord. The iPhone 15 series charges by adopting the USB Power Delivery Fast Charging Protocol. To achieve the best charging results, it's best to utilize the original charger and cable. Inspect them for any dirt, as well as for exposed or frayed wires. If you are using third-party charging accessories, verify that their specifications meet the requirements listed below. They are Apple certified or MFI certified. They are compatible with your iPhone series. They provide sufficient wattage that your device needs. They are in good condition. If one of them is not satisfied, you'll end up with an iPhone 15 stuck on battery charging screen and not taking any charge. Just switch to new and known good charging accessories to test again. Step 3. Try out another outlet. If the charger and power cable are in good shape, the outlet or surge protector may be defective. To fix the iPhone 15 stuck battery charging problem, test it by using it to charge other devices. If all of them fail to take or keep a charge, try plugging your iPhone 15 into a different outlet. Be it another wall socket, a laptop's USB port, or a portable power bank for a direct power source. See if your iPhone 15 responds to a new power source and turns on past the battery charging icon. Step 4. Force your device to reboot while charging. Sometimes a reboot helps to restore the normal charging operation when your iPhone 15 is stuck on the red battery logo screen. We'll explain how to do that below. The instructions are the same for an iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Soon, hold the side button for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. Release the key and wait for the restart to complete. Make sure to keep your iPhone 15 plugged into a power source during the whole process. Now, check if the screen responds and you manage to get out of the charging screen stuck on iPhone 15. Step 5. Put iPhone 15 into recovery mode and update iOS. Confirm your iPhone 15 has the latest system update installed. This can prevent compatibility issues with charging settings, then fix iPhone 15 charging screen stuck. Here's what you need to do. Use the official cable to attach your iPhone 15 to a computer. If it's a Windows PC, run the latest version of iTunes or Apple Devices app. If it's a Mac, running Mac OS Catalina or newer, click to open Finder from dock. Look back on your iPhone 15 series. Press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the power button longer until the recovery mode screen appears like this. Now, the computer should quickly detect your device and pop up a dialog box. Hit the Update button and fulfill the prompted steps until the software installation starts. Note that this will take longer than 1 hour to complete, and you're required to put the device into recovery mode again if it leaves itself during the update. After the update, see if you manage to get out of the iPhone 15 stuck on the battery charging screen and let it boot up as normal. Step 6. Wipe your iPhone 15's data. If everything above fails, the final sensible action is to delete all the saved data, files and settings on your iPhone 15 and start from scratch. One workable way to do that is repeat the instructions in step 5 to go into recovery mode again. Then, wipe the phone and restore it back to its factory defaults using iTunes, Finder, or Apple Devices app. If there's an iCloud account logged in on your iPhone 15 that's stuck on charging screen, use it to log in iCloud.com or Find My app on an iDevice. Find your iPhone 15 there, then it'll offer you an Erase iPhone option to erase the device. If your iPhone 15 is still stuck on charging and not turning on, have the device battery serviced at a local authorized store. If you've bought Apple Care Plus plan, they could fix the issue with coverage free or with a smaller fee. That's all for how to fix when your iPhone 15 screen is stuck on the red battery charge screen. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.